Van Long Wetland Reserve is located in a peaceful area of Ninh Binh, where time appears to stop and nature speaks softly. Here, the faraway cries of nature are mixed with the soft rhythm of paddles gliding through the river. A landscape unaffected by the bustle of contemporary life is guarded by towering limestone formations, beckoning you to discover its tranquil beauty. Often referred to as the inland Halong Bay, Van Long possesses a unique, untouched charm that is serene, pristine, and full of life. Step onto a traditional bamboo boat and drift gently along the tranquil waterways, where crystal-clear waters reflect the towering limestone karsts and lush greenery. The local boatmen and women, experts at navigating these serene waters, will guide you through Van Long's hidden gems. Their warm hospitality and deep area knowledge make this journey even more special. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the rich biodiversity here. White storks, herons, and kingfishers soar gracefully above, while delicate aquatic plants dance beneath the surface, adding to the area's enchanting beauty. Van Long is a haven for wildlife lovers. It is home to Vietnam's largest population of Delacour's langurs, an endangered primate known for its striking black and white fur. Look for them basking on the limestone cliffs or gathering near the water's edge. For the most magical experience, take the boat tour in the early morning or late afternoon. The golden sunlight casts a dreamy glow over the landscape, creating a picture-perfect moment you'll never forget. Van Long Boat Tour offers a truly off-the-beaten-path adventure, free from the hustle and bustle of more crowded attractions. There are no vendors or distractions, just you, nature, and the soothing sound of paddles against the water. Whether you're a nature lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply seeking peace, Van Long is an unforgettable destination. Don't miss the chance to explore this hidden gem in Ninh Binh. Ready to experience the magic of Van Long Lagoon? Book your eco-friendly boat tour today. If you loved this journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel experiences in Vietnam.